Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing an oh, that's all dirty with makeup on there. Let me show you the nice one. I'm doing an eyeliner tutorial or an eyeliner look for you guys today. And I'm going to tell you whether I like these eyeliners. These are the Infallible Never Fail. Now, I have the Infallible Never Fail Black 16-Hour Wear Liner. This is one of my favorite liners. But this, I've never tried these. These are the 16-hour wear, but they're the colored eyeliners, you know? And I was like, oh my gosh, and it looks like it's retractable right there. So I was like, I'm gonna get it. So I got the color 240 purple, pure purple, and the silver argente. But let's go ahead and try them out. So I am crossing my fingers, guys, that they are as good as the black eyeliner here. So if you're wondering if they are, I'm gonna show you a tutorial of this eyeshadow look that I am wearing, and I am wearing the purple and silver, as you can see. If you don't want to watch the eyeshadow tutorial, just go ahead and skip right through and go to the end of the video, and I will give you my final thoughts at the end. Oh, and if you could please push that thumbs up button and the tiny little bell by the subscribe button, I'd really appreciate that. Let's get to that video. Okay, so I already put an eye primer all over the eye. That's why it looks like one color. If you don't have an eye primer, you want to do a foundation or something to give it all one balance. I'm going to take that light brown, and all I'm going to do is pack it all over my eyelid here. Then bring it up in the crease area, and we're going to go in windshield wiper motions, just like this. If you find that there's a harsh line right here, which I don't have a harsh line, you can just take a nice clean brush and go back and forth on the edge like this. Okay, I'm going to get a piece of gift wrapping tape, and I'm just going to place it on the eye like that. And I more so just pat down the closest part. I don't usually pat the whole thing down. The closest part to that section right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this eyeliner. Now, instead of going that way, I'm gonna go forward, drawing a straight line. Now I can go this way. You see how easily this thing is gliding on, and it's barely tugging at the eye. Eyeshadow is extremely creamy. Just like that. Let's go ahead and pull it off, see if we have a good line. And we have a really nice line. I'm going to just line the waterline. Now in the waterline, it doesn't look as pigmented, does it? It's pigmented, but it doesn't look as pigmented. Like, it has a hard time grabbing on to the waterline as much as it did to the skin. So I do that, and then we're going to go right under and just kind of blend these two together. I'm going to take a brush and kind of just wiggle everything together and make this nice and smooth. And then going with that brown color we put in our lids, I'm going to pat it on to another brush. And I'm just going to place it underneath to kind of give it all a little bit of a more smoky effect on the bottom lash line. Now this look looks really pretty like that, but we're just going to spruce it up one extra bit. I'm going to take the silver eyeliner, and I'm just going to place it. Look at this. So I barely touch, and it just comes right off. Barely touch. I mean, this is just a fantastic eyeliner. And I actually think this would be a fantastic eyeshadow. I'm going to use this in the future as an eyeshadow, so we're just going to do something a little bit different, just like that. Now if you think that your line is not too smooth, you can go back in with your purple and just kind of push it right up in there like that. I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on and some lashes. Be right back. Okay guys, so what did I think of the liners? I thought that they glided on so easily. Now, like I was saying earlier, the Infallible Never Fail liner. This one right here is absolutely like, this is the 16-hour wear. This one is like my favorite black liner, but these were like candy. Now I am a little confused because, okay, let me just show you on this purple one. So you open it, right? And you're like, okay, well, I have to sharpen it. But then you see this, like, can you see it? Like, you can turn this bottom, so you think like it will go up, but nothing comes up. Like the bottom turns, so you think it's retractable, and it's not. Then you read the packaging, and it says that you do have to sharpen it. It says, eyeliner can be sharpened with L'Oreal Paris Dual Sharpener. So obviously, this is not a retractable liner, which it is a tad bit confusing if you just glance at it, like I was saying, because yeah, why would it have that at the bottom if it's not retractable? But anyways, it is what it is. I guess I'm going to have to sharpen these. I loved these eyeliners, and I thought they were the easiest things, the easiest liner to glide on. I stopped using pencils a long time ago because I don't want to put wrinkles in my eyes. And I think that if you love pencils, that this brand would be the way to go. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. If you could, please hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button, the tiny little bell next to it. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm Christina Marie. Hey guys, so I've been wearing these eyeliners all day. I'm going to wipe it and see if it actually comes off. Wow, look at that. Wipe again, and I'm not wiping light at all. Like nothing. Look at that. Can you believe that didn't come off? So it's like they're waterproof. That is amazing. That's great. Oh, guys, so I just got out of the shower and I scrubbed my face heavy. And look, the purple is still on my eyes. I cannot believe that. Look at that. When I touch it, like it doesn't even come off. So I'm gonna have to take some coconut oil and remove it that way. But talk about when they say never fail, this is amazing. The whole claim that they say never fail eyeliner is totally legit.